What if I told you time doesn't actually exist? That the ticking of the clock, the aging of your body, even the idea of before and after might be illusions. Today, we're diving into one of the weirdest and most unsettling scientific questions ever asked. Is time real, or is it just something our minds made up? Let's start with something you're probably familiar with: Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein discovered that time isn't a constant. It bends, it stretches, it slows down and speeds up depending on how fast you're moving or how close you are to a massive object, like a black hole. In fact, astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than we do on Earth. That's not science fiction. That's measurable. It's been proven. So, if time can move differently for different people, is it even real in the way we think? Here's where things get even stranger. When physicists try to describe the universe using quantum mechanics, our best theory for how tiny particles behave, time doesn't show up. Seriously. In many fundamental equations of quantum physics, there's no T for time. Physicist Carlo Rovelli even suggests that time is not a fundamental property of reality, but something that emerges from the way we perceive change. It's like heat. Heat doesn't exist by itself. It's a way of describing how molecules move. Time, he says, might be the same, just a human description of motion and change. Now, let's talk about one of the weirdest ideas in modern physics, the block universe. This concept suggests that past, present, and future already exist, all at once. Like a DVD, every moment is already written. We're just experiencing the movie in a linear order. In this view, your birth, your death, and everything in between already exist, frozen in the fabric of space-time. It's not that time passes. It's that we move through time like a needle moves through grooves on a vinyl record. Mind blown. If time isn't real out there, why do we feel it so strongly in here, inside our heads? Neuroscientists think our brains may be creating the illusion of time as a way to make sense of the world. Just like your brain interprets colors or smells, it may be interpreting change as something called time. We don't see time, we see change. A leaf falls, a shadow moves, a face wrinkles. Your brain strings those changes together like a story. But the story might not reflect how reality really works. If time is an illusion, what does that say about aging, about free will, about death? Some scientists believe that if all moments exist simultaneously in the block universe, then nothing is ever truly gone. Your childhood, your happiest day, even the moment you're watching this video, those moments still exist, somewhere. You're not losing time. You're just experiencing the universe in your own unique order. So, is time real? Maybe. Or maybe it's just a trick of the universe, one we'll spend eternity trying to understand.